You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front disc rear drum brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, rear wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.